Hello, my people. This is Val with This Is How You Do It. I am cooking chitlings, and what I did was cut up some potatoes and an onion, put some water in it, just a small amount of water, and let it cook. These chitlings been cooking for 3 hours, and I'm gonna let them cook for probably 8 hours. Now you say, well, Val, you ain't tell me how to cook chitlins. I'm telling you how to cook them now. This is the onion. I put 2 onions in it. I just cut them straight in half. I got 4 potatoes and cut them up like that. And these are the chitlings. These chitlings have not cooked down enough. These are 5 pounds of chitlings. And so, and after, there is no odor in the house, by the way. And I season this with my seasoning that I have on the shelf. So you just grab the seasoning that you have on the shelf and season your water and boil your chitlings. That's all you got to do after they've been washed and cleansed, of course. So it's nothing really to cooking them. And this is Val, but this is how you do it. How I make my chitlings. That's it. Onions, potatoes, season, and close the pot. And let it cook. Forget about it. On a low flame. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share it with somebody. And I'll talk to all you beautiful people on the next video. Bye-bye now.